The President and his administration have worked tirelessly to improve healthcare services through expanded accessibility and affordability, knowing full well the nation's most precious treasure is its human resources. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on the latest healthcare incentives and medical benefits unveiled by the President to include the expanded maternity package from PhilHealth.
In the face of the challenges the country is facing, the government does not neglect the health concerns of Filipinos. Clear is the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Ensure affordable medical services for all those in need. In fact, it was only this Monday when the President visited the medical city to check the implementation of PhilHealth's expanded benefits. Included here are the expanded maternity care packages. Under these, the benefit for a normal delivery patient has been increased to 29,000 pesos from the previous 9,750 pesos. For cesarean delivery, a patient may receive 58,000 to 62,000 pesos. So for Michael, whose wife just gave birth, this is a huge reduction in their expenses.
Malaking tulong siya in the sense na sa ngayon, yung anak ko po kasi, yung baby, 7 months and a half weeks, nasa NICU na po siya. So, medyo kailangan ko talaga ng malaking halaga. Pero sa tulong ng PhilHealth, na nakaka-discount naman kami ng na parang nabawas-bawasan po yung aking isipin.
The outpatient emergency care benefit covering minor conditions is also part of the program. Here, the coverage for ER fees, diagnostics, and medicines in accredited level 1 to level 3 hospitals has already been set. So for Melinda, who needed a checkup for her heart condition, it was a huge relief.
Napakalaking tulong po kasi hindi ko inaasahan na dito sa medical city ay aabil ko yun through sa PhilHealth po. Kasi kung sa akin lang, sa amin lang, wala po talaga kaming kakayahan. Pero pasalamat po talaga ako dahil sa PhilHealth po ay na-covered naman po pati yung sa ambulance po namin, sa procedure po ng angiogram, at sa iba pa pong kailangan po dito ay naman po ng PhilHealth.
The implementation of the Yaman ng Kalusugan program or YAKAP is still under the leadership of PhilHealth also continues without let-up. In fact, more than 4,000 YAKAP clinics are now open across the country, where one may receive free maintenance medicines worth 20,000 pesos every year.
Ang YAKAP, by the mere word, yakapin para mailayo sa sakit. Kinabit na rin namin yung availability ng gamot at saka ng basic lab. We're hoping bumaba rin yung ating kailangan ma-hospital.
Basic laboratory tests as well as cancer diagnostics are also included in YAKAP.
Ginagawa natin mga paraan, maagang nagpapatingin para hindi na uabot sa malubhang sakit.
Additional free dialysis as well as strengthened cancer treatment benefits are also included in PhilHealth's program so that treatment will not stop just because of expenses.
Ikalat natin yung balita para alam ng tao kapag may karamdaman sila, meron silang gustong patignan, yung anak nila, whatever, meron silang pupuntahan.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.